This is not a drill. Who would have thought I could do this on my own? Hell yeah for pottery. I'm well proud of us girls. The dump makes me stressed. Small business chats real quick. We are in traffic. We're bored. Would you rather? I do feel we need a chat. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. We are currently on Wednesday because I've had 2 days off this week. One, because I just haven't given myself enough of a break over the past couple of weeks. My brain has been in overdrive. We also had window fitters in because we've had all our windows replaced in our house. So it wasn't very practical to film anyway. So it actually worked out really good timing with having a couple of days off. It meant that I could chill out, didn't have to worry about when I could film, and I could look after little Sunny Bear because she's not, I was going to say she's not the best with people in the house, but she's just scared when people are in the house. Obviously because we got her in lockdown, she was never used to it, like having loads of people in and out of the house. So she gets a little bit barky, but she loves talking to builders and talking to anyone that comes in. She wanders over, wagging her tail, but a little bit scared. I had a delivery this morning, which I've been very excited about. It's a printer, way. So this is obviously for the new business, which I did announce the name of over on Instagram on Sunday. So the harness business is called Sunnyside Co. I think it's so cute. Obviously when I got Sunny, I had no idea that I was going to start a dog business, but it just feels like fate to call it Sunnyside, like always looking on the bright side of life, and obviously with my little Sunny by my side. Oh my god, I just thought of that. So yeah, this is for Sunnyside. Small business chats real quick. This is the printer that I went for. It's the HP DeskJet 2710E. I got this one, to be honest, because it wasn't expensive. It was £40 and apparently it's good for small businesses. I literally only needed to print the dispatch notes. So like, you know when you order something online and you get a little piece of paper in it telling you what you've ordered and all that jazz? Yeah, that's what I needed a printer for. I've personalised the dispatch notes because the ones on the Royal Mail website look so boring, but on Shopify you can customise it. You've got to learn about like all the coding and that. It took me forever. I got there in the end and this is what the dispatch notes look like. So here it is. I'm going to have to blur out this middle section because it's got a couple of names of the items. Ignore the shipping address and the billing address. They're just the ones that Spotify put in like on default. It says, "Thank you for supporting our small business. If you have any questions, etc. Love always, Hannah and Sunny." I didn't realise the detail that goes into even things like this when you're running a small business, but I'm really enjoying it. I tried a couple of types of paper. This one's too thin, and this one's too thick. It feels like card. So I need one that's like in between, because this one's just a bit naff. Who would have thought I'd be thinking about types of paper? Who even realised that was a thing? Because I didn't. Until I felt it in my hands and I was like, this ain't the one. I'm on my way to do some pottery. When I was little, I used to go to this place all the time because they've got like little clay figures and you paint them and it goes in the kiln and whatever. Haven't been for ages, and then I saw a TikTok, good old TikTok, making me buy things, making me experience things, and it said like, this is your sign to go to a pottery class with your best friends. And I was like, do you know what? Let's do it. We're also going with another friend of ours, Sophie. I'm excited about it. I'm really looking forward to this. Can I get a hell yeah for pottery? Hell yeah for pottery. So guys, we're painting now. It's very therapeutic. Anyone feel zen?
I'm stressed.
Yes. Leanne and Sophie are here. Here they are. They've both gone for a vase. Look how neat this is that Leanne's done.
Yeah, I'm sorry if anyone wants to hire me.
Look at that. That's well neat around that like scallopy bit. I'm doing this honey pot, but I might use it for cotton buds or something. I don't really know. So I'm going to do like different shades of pink, and it's got a little bee on the front. Oh, there it is. How cute.
You're going to paint it like bee colours?
I think so. What do you think? Bee colours?
Because it'll stand out.
Yeah, so bee colours. Yeah. This is my final piece. This bit here is just drying. It will dry the same colour, I hope. But how cute, little honey pot. I'm actually well pleased with it. This is Leanne's. Turn it round for us, give it a swirl. She's gone for a groovy chick vibe.
Unintentionally.
It looks so cute. And on the bottom, what did you write? Age 23. And this is Sophie's. What are you going to use it for, do you know?
Not yet.
Love the colours of that. She's gone for a little cow print neutrals moment.
They look the same colour, but hopefully they change colour when they're...
No, I can actually see a difference, especially on the camera. You can really see some of them are darker, but I'm well proud of us girls. I think we've all done really well. Good morning everyone. Very exciting morning today. We're just arriving at the dump. We're at the dump because we are dumping a TV. It's not our TV, it's an old one from my office. It's in the back here. We just about managed to get it in between the two of us. It's quite heavy. How do we know what bin to put it in?
I think he's going to tell us.
Oh, never understand the dump. Look at all these bins. Number 7 in the barn to the left hand side, he said. That says timber on it though. Oh, that's not the right number 7. The dump makes me stressed. I don't enjoy the dump. It's not an enjoyable experience, is it?
Well, it's not supposed to be, is it?
Okay, we've finished at the dump and we've just got a McDonald's because I've been so excited to try the garlic cheese bites. Although I have fancied this all day, and first thing this morning, what was the first thing I said to you? I'm going to get a double cheeseburger today.
Before you even said good morning or hello or just have a good night.
So I'm going to have a double cheeseburger. I never ever get burgers from McDonald's, but I just fancy one. They smell really garlicky. Oh, they're nice. They might even be my favourite cheese bites, yeah.
No, they are nice.
Anyway, we're going to sit and eat our McDonald's now. We went all out today. We've got a lot of food here, so...
You got a lot of food.
I got a lot of food. We're going to enjoy this on our Thursday lunchtime. Good morning everyone. I think we need to have a little chit chat. There we go. I feel like my arms might ache because this could be a bit of a long chat. But yeah, I do feel we need a chat because I'm very aware of the fact that I've been very rubbish at vlogging lately, and I just don't really feel like the weekly vlogs are working right now. I'm finding it quite hard to have things to vlog about because so much of my life right now is admin based, and what I mean by that is it's setting up websites, it's talking to suppliers. Obviously I'm buying a house right now, so there's a lot of solicitor stuff going on. Like, all of my day is pretty much spent on my laptop sending emails back and forth, figuring out websites, ordering stuff for the new business, and I'm not actually getting out and doing a lot right now. Which obviously isn't ideal when it comes to weekly vlogs. So I think I might have a little break from weekly vlogging. You might not even notice that much difference on my channel, but I might set myself like a few days a week to vlog, and then the other days I can focus on the admin stuff, because I just feel like my priority at the moment is not picking up the vlog camera throughout the week. So yeah, I hope that's all right with you. Like I said, I'll still be uploading, I'll film what I can. I might do some like day in the lives rather than weekly vlogs every now and again. Of course, creating videos will always be one of my priorities. But at the moment there's just a lot of deadlines and stuff. We're hoping to exchange on the house process by September, which is really quick for buying a house. So everything's all a bit up in the air, and yeah, I just don't think the weekly vlog format is working right now. So I hope that's all right with you. Might be some day in the lives, might be like half a weekly vlog, but something will go up on a Sunday morning. One of you guys messaged me about a TikTok sound that apparently dogs don't like, or they react to it in some way, so let's give it a try with Sunny.
So dogs apparently don't like this sound.
What an unbothered queen. I aspire to be like you, hun. Loves a tummy rub, is not bothered by TikTok sounds. I don't think I've actually shown you guys this yet, but was this week? It might have been Sunday, I can't remember. My dad got round to hanging up this curtain rail, and I've put these sheer curtains up because this is going to be the background of my product pictures. I have a vision, okay? This will look good. But I tidied my office, guys. Proud of myself. My office rarely looks this neat, but to be fair, every time it does look this neat, I film it. I've got a few PO box things here. This is for a job I've got coming up. Oh, very exciting. This arrived this morning from L'Oreal. It's a blonde conditioner, anti-yellow. Look at the difference in that. I'm well excited to try it. I would say on this chart, my natural hair is about this colour, and when I have it toned, it's about probably this colour. My hair needs doing right now, so hopefully this will help me out this evening. I've put all my office supplies down here for now because they were just getting in the way a little bit. until I can take them out to the new office. But I've got a couple of printers that arrived this week now. All my stationery is in the bin. If you watch these vlogs regularly, you'll see this storage that I got. I'm so pleased. I think it's going to look so beyond adorable out there. I like to make my workspace a nice place to be. I mean, this isn't often. Most of the time it's very messy. I have got a lot of PO box down here. This is what I'm looking at currently. I think I'm going to film like a reel of some of the PO box I've been sent this summer next week. Here we've got a box of potential packaging. This actually, I've been working on this week. This is potentially what the new packages will look like. Ignore the address, it's just like a sample address from Royal Mail. I was testing out my label printer and I've designed these labels myself, so this is what the box will look like, I think. Not too sure, I might tweak it a little bit. It says sealed with love. I think it's really sweet though. Up here we've got, yay, it's arrived, pup mail inside. I just think it's adorable. You can see where I've drawn with pencil, like trying to mark out the sizes of stickers and stuff, but I'm pretty happy with this so far. I'm gonna have two sizes of boxes. So this one's a large letter for smaller orders, and this one is a small parcel for bigger orders. I need to adjust this sticker though, it's not quite right. This is just the sample, but yeah, I'm happy with these. Who would have thought I could do this on my own? Honestly, I never thought I'd be able to. This is not a drill, my friends. A huge box has arrived. And is there anything better in this world than a delivery on your doorstep? No, there's not. This was a complete surprise. I did not know this huge box from Cherries was going to be arriving, but let me show you what they've sent. This is so cute. The little note inside says, "Hi Hannah, thank you for your support over the past year. We've created this box for you, not forgetting some goodies for Sunny. We hope you enjoy." And they've also given you guys 20% off the Cherries app for first time customers if you use the code Hannah20. It is basically the place to get your bargains. Homeware, food, stationery, you name it. You can now get it on the Cherries app instead of going into store. So you're welcome. Go wild with that Hannah20. Right, so the things they've sent me. First up are some little puppy treats. How cute, from Wag. Sunny really likes these ones as well. We've got some treats for the humans. Sticky toffee puddings. They've also sent an eco notepad. This will be super handy for the office outside. I actually haven't got an A4 notepad for out there yet, so I needed to buy one. Thank you guys, it's like you knew. I've had to confiscate this from Sunny temporarily because she's got a new toy and she's obsessed with this. She was watching me open the box and as soon as I pulled this out, she knew it was for her. Don't ask me how, but the girl can spot a dog toy from a mile away. They've sent some of my favourite pastas, and if that isn't the way to my heart, I don't know what is. Cheese and broccoli, it's a winner every time. Mint clubs as well, one of the best chocky bars. They've sent a candle. This is in the scent strawberry daiquiri. I might put this outside in the new office as well because it matches my pink colour scheme. Hob cleaner. Enough said. My mum was very happy about this. A pet bowl cleaner. It's a little dishmatic in the shape of a bone. We've got some pens to go with my notepad, a little photo frame, a couple of makeup bits as well. Do you know what? Cherries would be perfect for doing a Secret Santa because you could get so many different things for your budget. But anyway, they've sent over this bronzing face gel, a bronzing face tint, and I think that's like a little highlighter, and also a lip liner. Exfoliating gloves. They know. This W7 face remover cookie, I've heard of these before. You basically just run it under water and it's supposed to be really good at taking your makeup off. I'm excited to try this out. If it does work with just water, I will genuinely be amazed. Some tweezers with a little panda on the end. Adorable. A pack of super cute microfiber cloths. Look at those colours. I might keep this one in my car. A couple of shower gels. So we've got one from the Body Shop. This is one of my favourite scents from the Body Shop. It is the almond milk and honey. And also this one, Polynesian Paradise and Sweet Peony. Have I tried this? I feel like I have. Yeah, I think I have. I love the smell of this. OMG, a cake mix. It's only just hit me that I can actually make a cake with this. I might do that. And to finish up, we've got a few different cleaning products. So we've got this from Febreze, it's the fabric refresher. We've got the shimmering shower spray from Fabulosa, and it's in the scent passion fruit. If this smells like a martini, I've seen a lot of people raving about Fabulosa. I haven't tried a lot of their products, but they always smell insane. And last but not least, we've got the Pink Stuff Cream Cleaner. Thank you so much to the team at Cherries for this lovely surprise box. Honestly, me and my mum were thrilled when we saw this on our doorstep. And thank you for Sunny's little goodies as well. That is so thoughtful. Don't forget, if you are going to go and check out the Cherries app, 1, would highly recommend, 2, use the code Hannah20 to get 20% off your first order. Hello everyone. Hang on, let me turn the radio off. It's Saturday. We are in traffic in a standstill. Is that what it's called? In a standstill?
Well, we're parked.
We're parked. The engine's not even on. We're on our way to Lakeside, to IKEA. Which wasn't a good idea on a Saturday, was it?
No, whose idea was it?
Mine. But we're bored already.
Yeah.
Should we play Would You Rather? Would you rather have a red car or a yellow car?
Oh, I like red cars.
Do you?
Yeah. Would you rather stub your big toe or have a splinter?
Have a splinter, because I'm quite good at getting them out.
Oh, right, okay.
Would you rather, this is a good one, would you rather sit on a plane for 13 hours or a ferry for 4 hours?
Well, I've done the plane thing because I've been to Australia, so I was on a plane for hours and hours and hours. So I'd definitely rather be on a ferry because I can swim but I can't fly. Would you rather eat jellied eels or a raw tomato?
A raw tomato, obviously. What would you do? Surely you wouldn't go for jellied eels. Would you rather
Be stuck in a traffic jam on the A13 or be at home drinking a cappuccino?
be at home? Oh look, that man's got out his car now.
Look, everybody's getting out now, we can have a party.
Would you rather play Would You Rather with all these people or play Would You Rather with just me? Would you rather have to drive a limo everywhere or a monster truck? Oh, I wouldn't do either.
I think a monster truck actually, because you're so high up.
Probably easier to park than a limo. Really bored now, they're going past the other way. At least we've got something to watch though. Although I've put the seats down in the back of the car. Look how much room is in my car now. It's massive in the back. Well, I hope it's big enough.
I was going to say,
We'll get it in, it'll be fine. Very impressed at how roomy this is. Anyway, I think that's our game of Would You Rather over, because neither of us can think of any more Would You Rathers. This is Sunny at home at the moment, in her bed, nice and cozy, all curled up. Got a treat here in case she wants it. Not a care in the world. Look at our view right now. It's very foggy. Are we going? Oh. We're going! Yay! Here we come, IKEA. Very happy to announce that we did in fact make it to IKEA. We collected the desks for the new office and then we drove back and there was absolutely no traffic at all. So what was that scam about, please? Anywho, it is now Saturday evening. Next week is my birthday, so there's going to be a little bit of birthday content coming. Let me know in the comments actually. Do you want to see a what I got for my birthday video? Or am I too old to do that now? Because I'm turning 23 and I don't know if you guys would find that interesting or not. I don't know, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I actually have enjoyed watching this back, which is ironic considering I said that I have nothing to film at the minute. Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely weekend so far and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.